watching really with a big cup of coffee. All about roaming. Actually pretty me. Just the fresh breeze and the beautiful seaside in the morning. This is so lovely. Sit down to go to the chairs. Oh, bless him, in the name of Jesus. Give me 2 minutes. You went looking. I'm going to reach 2 minutes yet. Not even 2. And I will look for the currency. You didn't eat that last time? Good morning.
Thanks, man. I'm gonna now get up.
I don't realize if you take it over the back when Chef come. Don't get too specific. And cheesy, make a bun and then eat cheese. I don't want none. I was made for money when I that further. I'll let me the fun. Every morning we do what? You know one cheese? Don't mess with one so can you know something else. It's nice. Some more woman next to you to be. I'm fast with my next door. I tell no woman to have in the yard. You want to take one of these? Okay. Oh, you taste something like that? You're married. It wasn't even enough. So someone wasn't even enough. Something turned up. We really ate so much. If you know the rules of so we're not going to eat some more. Again, tell him some goodness of so much, but you got to eat some more.